Hello, eh, el Festival of My City, presented by Petronio Barrios Galindo, eh, Festival Ibagué Birthday, eh, el Musical Capital will head cultural program this October 14 that will commemorate its 470 years of foundation and will honor its history for this. El Mayor's Office of Ibagué has prepared a special agenda. Uh, this day, more Omni will be made in homage to the founder of Ibagué. This event is very colorful and pleasant to see. You can see how different crafts that all participants carry out. Uh, Comparses and typical dance are performed subtle. We we are el musical capital of Colombia. I love to participate in this dance representative el university in which I study. We also believe that we must preserve of cultures. Um, Your cavalcades had organized demonstrating the importance um, of our Colombian Creole horse. Each should be noted toward certain requirements are met so as not to affect animal welfare. This is one of activities that I like almost because I can share it with my family. Thank you. Bye.